Welcome to Envelope Mart, a unique envelope manufacturer that solves problems through innovation and creativity. Envelope Mart was born out of the idea that we could find a better way to provide quality products and programs for our customers. Our tailored solutions integrate into our clients' envelope needs with a high level of technical sophistication that are simple to access and manage. A major problem we've tackled recently is supply chain uncertainty and raw material shortages. How could our customers plan if materials were not available and allocations affected delivery schedules? So, we created a strategy for guaranteeing an uninterrupted supply of envelopes for our high-volume mailers like the healthcare, financial, and insurance sectors. We worked with our long-standing suppliers and locked in agreements, and then doubled down on the deal by setting up custom online portals so that our customers can order exactly what they want, when they need it, with way less hassle. Next up, quality. We think every envelope we send you should be perfect. Envelope Mart has a dedicated quality control manager on site, 24 hours a day, to immediately identify and correct issues before any product leaves manufacturing. And as an option, instead of relying on corrugated boxes to keep envelopes from getting crushed at the bottom of a skid, we developed and patented REPS, Reusable Envelope Packaging System, making handling simpler, maintaining the highest level of product integrity, allowing for optimum high-speed insertion, and eliminating costly jams and document reprints, from the top of the stack to the last envelope on the pallet. And all that time our customers previously spent breaking down boxes was gone, making their operations more efficient, reducing waste, and in some cases, saving them millions of dollars. After we perfected reusable packaging, we started to think about delivery. What if we could eliminate the variables associated with outside carriers? The result was the birth of our own internal transportation division, REPS Logistical Solutions, based on the principles of optimization and sustainability. Today, a fleet of vehicles delivers millions of envelopes daily, some specially designed to transport up to 44 skids in a single load. Compare that to a standard semi-load at 26 skids max. We save our clients in shipping costs, warehouse space, and reduced material handling. And our geographical reach includes delivery points coast to coast. In fact, we're committed to meeting your logistical needs. We're always prepared, with a 30-day supply of finished goods stored on hand and a network of disaster recovery locations all across the country. Innovation never stops. We produce millions of custom manufactured envelopes daily, and our production lines and warehouse capacity are expanding in order to meet the growing needs of our clients. Our growth objectives are based on continuous improvement while focusing on optimization through sustainability, both operationally and environmentally. We're incorporating the use of renewable energies, electric vehicles, and unmanned material handling systems, all contributing to a reduction in our carbon footprint. Our quality is unmatched by the competition, allowing our clients to operate their inserting equipment at the highest speeds and efficiencies in the industry. If a supplier just sells envelopes, they're simply providing a commodity. We solve problems because we're our clients' partners, thinking on their behalf and offering solutions that lead to growth. Envelope Mart, USA.